Hey, what up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video editing tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a Shockwave pop out transition effect for like a t-shirt. Let's say you designed a t-shirt, you want it to pop out on screen with a Shockwave. I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get going. So find the spot where you would like the Shockwave to be, just drag it on there. And it is going to be black and white. I will have a big pack of them in the description. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on it and then change the blend mode to screen, and there you go. That you'll be able to see it. And to change the color, you want to go into the color tab and go down till you see color wheel match, and then just change the midtones. You can change it to whatever color you want. If you want to have it blue, I kind of do like the blue one. So it's gonna pop out kind of like that. Go back to editing, and I'm gonna have the t-shirt pop out about right here. I'm just gonna use a white t-shirt, okay, to make it smaller. Let me just I want to make the t-shirt a little bit smaller. I'm going to have it pop out. Go ahead and move it over just a little bit. It might slow down your computer with the color changing, so you render it, but I'm going to have it go about right here. I'm going to go back to the beginning, hit the keyframe, go up until you'd like it to get a little bit bigger. I'm going to go about right there, and then I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And that's a good size. And then about right here, when it cuts out of the screen, I'm going to have the opacity right here drop down to 0. And so about right here, it's going to be at 100 until it starts to dissolve, which is going to be about right there. And there you go. It's going to zoom up and then pop out. Let's go over to Sony Vegas and do it. Okay guys, now that we're back in Sony Vegas, what you're going to want to do is you're going to drag the Shockwave on and then the t-shirt. To change the Shockwave, you want to go to video effects and add on the color corrector and then change the mid-tone, just like in Premiere Pro. So, and then what you're going to want to do is after you drag that t-shirt on, kind of do the same thing wherever you'd like it. I'm gonna have mine start about right there. Go ahead and zoom out, hit a pin crop. Okay, and about right here, I'm gonna have it be kind of small. And then about right there, I'm gonna have it zoom or go back to normal. And then about right here, a little bit bigger. And then it's gonna fade out right after that. And so what you can easily do is just drag it to see where it starts fading out. And just drag it to it. There you go. That is how to do it in Premiere Pro and Sony Vegas. If you like these tutorials, leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. Peace out, guys.